One tiny bug can destroy millions of dollars, ruin customer trust, and even damage a company's reputation overnight. But sometimes, one tester catches that bug just in time. This is how testing saves companies. Imagine a big online shopping website during a holiday sale. Thousands of users are trying to buy products at the same time. Suddenly, the payment system crashes. Customers can't complete orders. People leave negative reviews. Sales drop every second.
But it worked on my machine.
This happens more often than people think. A single untested issue can cost companies millions. In 2012, a software deployment bug caused a trading company called Knight Capital to lose $440 million in just 45 minutes. The problem wasn't just a software bug. It was a chain of poor decisions and weak safeguards that allowed a critical system to be updated and run without proper testing and protection. In Australia, Queensland Health launched a new payroll system designed to automate payments for thousands of healthcare workers. But shortly after launch, chaos began. Some employees were underpaid, others were overpaid, and some workers didn't receive salaries at all. The disaster wasn't caused by one single bug. Reports later revealed serious testing and deployment problems. Critical payroll scenarios were not properly validated before release. Fixing the system eventually cost over $1 billion Australian dollars, making it one of the most expensive IT failures in history. Car rental giant Hertz hired Accenture to build a modern digital platform and redesign their website experience. But the project quickly ran into problems. Features didn't work properly, deadlines were missed, and parts of the website reportedly failed quality expectations. The issue wasn't just coding mistakes. The software was allegedly released without proper validation, testing, and production readiness. Hertz later sued Accenture after spending millions on a website project that never successfully launched. These disasters prove something important. Software failures rarely happen because of one bug alone. They happen when testing, validation, and safeguards are ignored. Good testers don't just find bugs. They protect customer trust. They prevent financial disasters. And they help companies launch products safely. Behind every successful app, website, or game, there are testers working quietly to prevent chaos. Testing may not always get attention, but when it fails, everyone notices.